How do I organize my notes in GoodNotes? Are you feeling overwhelmed with your notes and wondering how to keep everything in order? Organizing your notes in GoodNotes can be a game changer for your study routine. Let's break down some effective strategies to help you get started. First, create a clear folder structure. Think of it like a filing cabinet. Start with a main folder for school. Inside that, make subfolders for each academic year. Then, within those, create separate folders for each course or subject. This layered approach keeps everything easy to find and makes sense logically. Next, use notebooks within these folders to representing individual lectures or topics. Treat each notebook like a focused study session. This prevents overcrowding and makes it easier to review specific content when you need to. Color coding can be a fantastic organizational tool in GoodNotes. Assign different colors to your folders, notebooks, or pages based on subjects or themes. This visual cue helps you navigate quickly and associate colors with specific topics. GoodNotes also allows you to favorite items. You can favorite notebooks, folders, or even individual pages. This feature places frequently used items in a dedicated tab for quick access, saving you precious time when you need to review or add to your notes. When working with large documents like imported PDFs or textbooks, take advantage of GoodNotes' automatic outline feature. If the PDF has a table of contents, GoodNotes will import it, making navigation within the document much easier. Use the thumbnail view to see all pages in a notebook at once. This view lets you rearrange pages by dragging and dropping. You can also delete unnecessary pages or duplicate important ones, keeping your notes streamlined. Tagging is another helpful feature. By tagging notes with keywords, you can quickly filter and find notes across different folders and notebooks without having to search through each file manually. For long-term efficiency, maintain a library folder with original copies of templates, planners, or notebooks. Duplicate these when starting a new semester or project. This way, you always have a clean version to work from. Lastly, GoodNotes supports sharing documents for collaborative note-taking. This can be useful for group study sessions or project work, allowing you to work together seamlessly. By organizing your notes in this way, you can reduce the time spent searching for materials. It also supports active recall and spaced repetition, making your study sessions more effective. Consistent color coding and a clear folder hierarchy create mental associations that aid memory retention. Using features like tagging and favorites streamlines your workflow, allowing you to focus more on learning. With these strategies, GoodNotes can become a powerful tool to keep your study materials neat, accessible, and ready for efficient review.